Hey everyone, it's Marci Bair and Victor Orozco, your Bair Financial Planning team. This is our monthly video update for February 2026.
Mid-February.
Mid-February. It is mid-February, only because we did record one earlier, but we wanted to do a second take.
Yeah.
So oftentimes we just do one take, and you might also be saying, oh, maybe you should have done a second take on that. But this time we really did feel that we wanted to do another one, give you some more tax information, and just do a better one. You might not think it's going to be better, but it really is. So we're in the thick of tax planning. You're waiting for your 1099 reports. Some of them are already ready. Some of them will be ready in LPL's account view. You got an email that Emily put together that gives you a great timeline on when those should be available. But if you're having a challenge getting into account view, please reach out to us. Don't get frustrated. Don't pull your hair out.
Or get frustrated. Just don't spend a lot of time on it.
Yeah, just don't spend, you get frustrated. Just don't spend a lot of time on that. Yeah, reach out to us right away. Let us help you. It could just be something minor or something that Emily can assist you with. So please reach out to us right away. And you have some other tax conversation.
So you're looking for your 1099, but one other kind of mind prompt what we're thinking of is if you've conducted a Roth conversion or non-deductible IRA contribution converted to a Roth, or also known as a backdoor Roth, or did a qualified charitable distribution. These are some other type of strategies or things that may have applied to you that we also want to provide additional information above and beyond the 1099. So we want to make sure that your tax professional is aware of these other things, because sometimes when you want to file your forms, there's other context you need to know in order to file.
It doesn't always tell the story.
It doesn't always tell the story. So if you just went verbatim based on the 1099, yes, you would think you should have that story. That's not always the case, which if you are in those kind of camps, if you will, we are going to send supplemental information that goes with your tax filing folder that you would provide to your tax professional. So we've sent some of those to some of those people that those strategies apply to, but there's some more coming as well. So if that's ever happened to you, just know that I think there's something else that might be coming my way, and we're definitely working on that right now.
Yep. Feel free to reach out to us if you're not quite sure. If you need those additional documentation for your CPA, or if you're doing this some tax on your own.
Correct.
Right?
Yep.
In addition, we have some great news that Victor is now a board member of a really prestigious organization. It's called US SIF. That's the United States Sustainable Investment Forum. It's an amazing organization that's doing a lot of work in sustainable investing. You can share a little bit more about that, but we're super proud that he's representing Bair Financial Planning, Wealth Consulting Group, and LPL Financial on that board.
Yep, and they also do a lot of policy work in DC as well around what's going on in that sustainability landscape. We're going to have an additional email that kind of goes out to you all about it, but something we've been a part of. I've helped teach part of their foundations course to other financial advisors as well. So now this is kind of stepping into it in a more formal arrangement, if you will. And one thing why we think it's so beneficial to our clients and to the investment committee that I serve on for the Wealth Consulting Group is actually having a direct line to what's going on in DC, what's going on in the space, what kind of trends are happening, and really just kind of bring that perspective to how we design our portfolios for the clients that want to have these type of philosophies and values expressed into their portfolios, and making sure we're doing it the best, most intentional way we can for our clients and the advisors of our firm. So excited to continue to bring that lens, as I always have for the last 10, 11 years, to the group, but now in a much more direct and powerful way. So it's definitely a big help to how we help our clients pursue the sustainable investing desires they have for their portfolios.
Right.
So excited to do that, and more to come on that.
Well, yeah, and the focus that you have within just the Wealth Consulting Group, Victor sits on the Investment Strategies Committee, is the primary advisor-led focus on our sustainable, responsible portfolio. So again, that directly impacts not only our clients, but Wealth Consulting Group, and giving that perspective and that lens and history experience that you have with that. So we appreciate that, and I know all of our clients do as well. So anything else last minute?
Nope, I think, enjoy the rest of February, and if anything comes of concern, reach out to us. We're here for you.
All right, take care, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye.